Hello, everyone. Today we journey into the world of science, where mysteries are not confined to myths, legends, or ancient ruins, but instead exist in the very fabric of reality itself. While science is often seen as the tool that provides answers, it is also the field that leaves us with some of the most mind-bending questions. In 2025, several scientific mysteries continue to puzzle experts, challenging our understanding of the universe, life, and even the planet we live on. From strange signals in space to unexplained phenomena on Earth, these unsolved puzzles remind us that the world is far stranger than we can imagine. Our first stop is Antarctica, a place that has fascinated explorers and scientists for centuries. Beneath the ice, strange events have been recorded, but one of the most baffling comes from an experiment called ANITA, or the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna. ANITA detected signals of high-energy particles, but the strange part is that these particles seem to be moving upward, as if rising from the Earth instead of coming from space. According to what we know about physics, this should not be possible. High-energy cosmic rays normally come from the universe and strike Earth from above. The idea of them emerging from beneath the surface suggests something extraordinary, either unknown physics at play or even hints of parallel universes. Scientists remain divided. Some argue it's just misinterpretation, while others believe this could be the first crack in our understanding of the cosmos. Next, we turn our attention to one of the greatest cosmic puzzles: dark matter and dark energy. For decades, astronomers have known that the visible universe, the stars, planets, and galaxies, make up less than 5% of what truly exists. The rest, an overwhelming 95%, is made up of something invisible, something we cannot detect directly, but only through its effects. Dark matter is thought to be a mysterious substance that holds galaxies together, while dark energy is believed to be driving the accelerating expansion of the universe. But here in 2025, despite billions of dollars in research, we still do not know what they actually are. Imagine it. Nearly all of reality is hidden in plain sight, yet remains invisible and unexplained. For many scientists, this is not just a mystery, but the single greatest puzzle in modern science. Now, let's bring the mystery back to Earth. Our planet is home to the South Atlantic Anomaly, sometimes referred to as the Bermuda Triangle of space. This is a region over South America and the South Atlantic Ocean where Earth's magnetic field is unusually weak. Satellites passing through this area often experience glitches, malfunctions, or even complete failures. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station have reported strange flashes of light in their eyes when flying over this region, thought to be radiation bursts. But why is this happening? Earth's magnetic field is generated by molten iron deep within the planet. Yet something about this region seems different, unstable, and perhaps even growing. Scientists warned that this anomaly is expanding, and if Earth's magnetic field weakens further, it could expose us to harmful cosmic radiation. For now, the South Atlantic Anomaly remains a strange scientific danger zone with no clear explanation. Shifting from Earth to the mysteries of life itself, let's talk about consciousness. In 2025, despite all of our technological advances, we still cannot explain what consciousness truly is. How does a lump of brain tissue, a collection of neurons and electrical signals, produce self-awareness, memory, imagination, and emotion? This is often called the hard problem of consciousness, and it continues to baffle scientists. Artificial intelligence has made great leaps, imitating human speech, art, and problem-solving. But does it mean these systems are conscious? Or are they simply sophisticated machines without awareness? Consciousness may very well be the ultimate mystery of existence, one that science struggles to measure because it is an experience rather than a physical property. Another mystery of 2025 lies in the deep oceans, the least explored part of our own planet. More than 80% of the ocean remains unmapped, unobserved, and unexplored. Yet from time to time, strange sounds are recorded, sounds that have no clear origin. One of the most famous is the bloop, detected in 1997, a powerful underwater noise that scientists at first thought might have come from a massive sea creature. Though later theories suggested it was caused by icebergs, the mystery of strange oceanic sounds continues. With new technology listening deeper into the seas, unidentified noises are still being logged. Some are likely geological, some biological, and some unknown. Could creatures beyond our imagination lurk in the dark? Or are these sounds evidence of natural processes we have yet to understand? And then, of course, we return to the skies. In recent years, governments have begun releasing official reports on UAPs, or unidentified aerial phenomena, better known as UFOs. For decades, sightings were dismissed as hoaxes or misidentifications, but the recent data suggests that some of these objects defy conventional explanation. Military pilots have described objects with incredible speed, no visible propulsion, and maneuvers beyond the capability of human aircraft. While skeptics argue that these could be advanced drones or errors in radar systems, others suggest they may represent technology unknown to us, perhaps even from beyond Earth. In 2025, interest in UAPs is higher than ever, and scientists are calling for serious research into what might be one of the greatest mysteries of all time. Yet not all mysteries are grand cosmic puzzles. Some lie within our very biology. One such question is why we age. Science has made progress in extending lifespan and slowing down certain aspects of aging, but the root cause remains elusive. Why do cells deteriorate? Why do some creatures, like certain jellyfish, seem biologically immortal while humans cannot escape decay? Cracking the code of aging could change the future of humanity, but until then, aging remains one of the most personal and profound scientific mysteries. Another enigma lies within our genetic code. DNA contains the instructions for life, but vast portions of it are labeled junk DNA, sequences that seem to serve no clear function. Yet in recent years, hints have emerged that this so-called junk may play roles we do not yet understand, possibly influencing development, disease, or even traits we cannot yet identify. Are these genetic sequences remnants of our evolutionary past? Or are they keys to future discoveries about life itself? As we look at these mysteries, one thing becomes clear. Science does not always provide answers, but it always sparks questions. Every discovery opens the door to more unknowns. Perhaps the greatest mystery of all is the human drive to explore, to question, and to seek truth even when the answers may forever be beyond our grasp. In 2025, the mysteries we face are not signs of ignorance, but of progress. They remind us that the universe is deeper, stranger, and more beautiful than we can possibly comprehend. Whether it is particles rising from the Earth, invisible matter holding galaxies together, or the unanswered riddle of what it means to be conscious, these puzzles keep us searching, keep us wondering, and keep us alive to the fact that reality is far from ordinary. So, which of these mysteries do you think we will solve first? And which do you believe might never be solved at all? One thing is certain. The mysteries of science are not barriers but invitations, inviting us to explore, to question, and to embrace the unknown.